Good morning. This is Yoga Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. So today we are discussing about high level programming editor assembler. Level programming. So what is mean by high level programming is one of the instructions will performs the statement using symbols. So what is mean by symbols? Some English words and space. Is high level programming is a written and language such as using a Python and Java and C++ and the redesigned of human. So high level programming is a language as a Python or C++ designed of a human readability. So focusing on the logic then the machine specific hardware details. These programs are arise to write and read and maintain. In this high level programming we have to use write the program and read, write and erase. So in this program we have to use some high level programming, right, and basics of C++. The program returns in high level languages are easy to understand. So in this program everyone should understand and how the program will write and read and erases. And then next one, assembly language programs editor. So what is mean by editor? So it is the one of the software tools we have to use in our PCs. Yes, so in this editor is also called as the text editor or software programming that controls or enable the user create or the text files. And in this field of programming the terms of editor is usually reference to our source codes, and this editor is also including in the many special furthers in and writing and editing codes. So we have to use some writing and editing codes. So example notepad, wordpad, so these all are examples of editors. And then editor types. So first editor is a line editor. In this you can be edit only one lines. So in this line editor we have to use only the lines. And then stream editor. So in this editor is treated a continuous flow of an is in this editor we have to use some lines and paragraphs. And so many of editors is that stream editor, code editor and continuous editor, for paragraph editors. So these are including in the editor process. So in this editor help to use the construct the assembly languages program in the right formats. So we have to type a program in microprocessor. So we have to edit some words or instructions or mnemonics values, and the editor will use in the some programs. So we have to including in the microprocessor kit programming assembly language program. Yes, and then assembler. So assembler is one of the software tool using in PC. Is a program instructions written as a low level languages program into relate. It is a machine code and generating along with the information for the loader. It is also necessary for converting the user returning program. It is a machinery code is also called as the translations of high level languages and low level that are the machinery languages. So in these types of transactions is performed with the help of the system softwares. So in this assembler is defined as a program or transistor as the assembly language program. And then in a machine language programs self assembler. And then types of the assembler. So assembler is generating instructions by evaluating the mnemonics of symbols. So mnemonics is also called as the instructions in this operations field to training the values of a symbols and filled with the produced of machine languages. So basic is fundamentally assemblers or two types. So single assemblers and multi-mode assemblers. and it's also called as the single pass assembler and multi pass assembler. So what is mean by single pass assembler? If an essential does not this works is once scanned, then is called as the single pass assembler. And what is mean by multiple pass assembler? So it is does not a multiple scans, that is called as the multiple pass assemblers. So then advantages of the assemblers. So assemblers translate the mnemonics into binary codes with this speed and accuracy, thus eliminating the human errors in looking up to the codes. So in this is used to some mnemonics codes and binary codes. So these all including in the assemblers is one pass or one go in this instructions. Thank you so much.